Alright guys, so right now we're doing a battery replacement. And it's really hard. So we do a little update. To remove the battery on this Bronco, you have to remove the intake. So as you can see, this is the box. It goes right here. And I'm getting soaked in water right now. And then the filter goes in there. And then this box, and then this goes like that. Okay? Like this. This is why it goes on top of the battery. So let me run you through real quick. You have to remove this first. Okay? It will have a plastic clip right there and a plastic clip right here. And then you just pull out. Once you remove that, you pull it up. You throw it aside, okay? Then we have this wire that connects to this sensor. This plastic clip connects right here, and this one ties there. And obviously you got that clamp, so you remove that, you remove the filter, and then you have this, which you have to pull. It has 3 points. Those 3 points right there, so you can remove that. Then the battery is going to have its positive terminal. It's this guy. It's a 10 millimeter. It's a 10 millimeter wire. Okay. It has this one, which is a 13, and then you have this brace that goes from here, which is a 10, and over there it has another 10 millimeter nut on it. And then once you remove that, put it aside, and you got your ground. Then you can pull the battery and slide it forward. So the battery slides forward because over here it kind of drops through it. So you have to slide it forward. And that's how you take that battery out. Sorry guys, this is a quick one. I'm getting... So what happened was the battery had no power on it to start again after it shut off. It has the auto start shut off thing, and then after that it had to get towed. You have to put it into neutral. You have to get it towed. So now I took it for a drive, started. We thought it was the alternator, but the alternator is charging perfectly fine. But as soon as I shut it off, it does not have energy to turn on until I put my jumper on it. Once I put my jumper, it starts no problem. So we're gonna go ahead and get a new battery on it, put it on, and everything should go back to normal. So hopefully this is the case. Alright guys, I'll be right back and let's see what we got after that. Alright guys, so now we're back. The rain kind of stopped a little bit. I'm gonna go ahead and put the battery on. And let's see, it's gonna drain on the back. So we don't want it to drain on the front. So I got it, what is it, AGM battery. You're gonna put in the plug. Then we're gonna slide this guy in. Okay, the drain side is on the back side of it. That's why we plug this side, because we don't want it to go on this side. Alright, so then after we got that in there, we're gonna go ahead and put the tray. Goes like this. And again, this is for the filter. Okay, that's in there. These wires will go like that. We'll put that in a second. You have the common filter. Got the box. So I'm gonna sure you kind of line it up a little bit. Okay, both clips are on. Let's run the wire. Clips right there, right here, there. If I'm mistaken, it's a 7mm. You don't want to overkill it, you just want to tie it. Okay, and then I'm gonna leave the last section here for last, because obviously I got to stand there. Let's see. Want to line up your bolts and whatnot. So we got a 10 for here. You don't want to over tighten it either, okay? Now we got a 13 there. Now we gotta get an extension so we can put the other 10 using a little nut and there. We'll just push just fine. There it is. So now I gotta find that. So yeah, plus you guys. Let me get that out. Alright guys, so I got my tool back. Put the battery back on. Probably gonna have to tell the system that it has a new battery on. So I have to probably get my scanner on. And the scan. Alright, so don't forget the sensor, don't forget that. There it is on. Now let me put this part in, so let me move you guys. Just going to show you some things. Clips there, clips here, which is 4. 2 clips. For there. Let's go through the screw. And go ahead and start the car. Just close that up. Do is just hook up my computer and tell the car that it has a new computer, so it relearns the charging process and whatnot. A new computer, I'm sorry, a new battery. But yeah, that's it guys. A Die-Hard H6 AGM battery, that's what it takes on this car, and I think this is a 1.6 liter, not the 2.0. So yeah, if you have that issue where you're start and go stop and start system. It lets you strand it. Most of the time it's going to be that battery going out. And it had an OEM battery on it. And this is the 21, almost 2022 car. But it did not hold. So yeah, like always guys, thank you so much for following, for the support. Try to start posting more videos more often if I can. This past couple of weeks has been rough. I haven't had my employees with me, and it's just been a little bit of hectic, non-stop working, almost no time to record. So that's why I haven't really been posting that much of the videos. But let me see if I could get back at it and keep you guys a little bit more updated, see if we can grow the channel. But yeah, a little bit at a time. Alright guys, like always, share, like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Later.